Hello everyone, let us continue the problems. Okay, so example number 3 show that sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to the 2 sine inverse x when x is in between minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay, so and second one is sine inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square is equal to the 2 cos inverse x. So when it is x is in between or equal to the 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 and 1. Okay, so let us see the solutions. Okay, consider this LHS. Sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square, right? Sine inverse of 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. So in the result we need sine inverse again. For that I will substitute x equal to the sine theta. So put x equal to the sine theta. This implies theta equal to the sine inverse of x. Theta is equal to the sine inverse of x. So now LHS will become sine inverse of 2 x means sine theta square root of 1 minus x square. X is sine theta, x square is sine square theta, x square is sine square theta is equal to the sine inverse of 2 sine theta into square root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Complete the bracket. Square and square root will get cancelled. Sine inverse of 2 sine theta into cos theta. So this formula we know. Okay, this is the formula of sine 2 theta. Okay, sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to the 2 sine theta into cos theta. Half angle formula is okay. Here sine inverse and sine get cancelled. Remaining is 2 theta. So what is theta? Theta is sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x. See, this is our required result. Sine inverse x. This is equal to the RHS. Right. Very important formula. Sorry, very important problem for 3 marks. On substituting x equal to, you will get 1 mark. Okay. After solving up to the 2 theta, you will get 1 more mark. So replacing theta value sine inverse x, writing the result, will get 1 more marks. So totally very important for 3 mark question. Okay, right. See the next one. Solution. Consider the LHS. LHS is sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. See here, both the question have the same LHS, but RHS is different. So here RHS is cos inverse x. So for that we need to put x equal to cos theta. For that put x equal to the cos theta. So this implies theta is equal to the cos inverse ex. Right. Substitute in the LHS. LHS is equal to the sine inverse 2x. X is cos theta square root of 1 minus x square is cos square theta. Complete the bracket. Is equal to the sine inverse 2 cos theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine theta. Okay, so rearranging the terms, 2 sine theta into cos theta. So this is equal to the sine inverse of this is sine 2 theta. This is what? Sine 2 theta. Cancel sine inverse and sine, remaining is 2 theta. So what is theta? Theta is cos inverse x. Cos inverse x. So this is our required result, RHS. So right here, this is RHS. Okay. So these are the two problems, very important. Substitution is very important in these two problems. See the RHS, what they asked in the answer. So they need cos inverse, put cos theta. Here they need sin inverse, put sin theta. Okay, very simple problems. See the next example, number 4. Show that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 is equal to the tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay, see solution. I will consider the LHS. Tan inverse of 1 divided by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Okay, so using these two I have to show that tan inverse of 3 by 4 first. So we know that in the yesterday class I have explained the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, right. So we have seen this formula in the yesterday class. So this is an x into y is less than 1. So see, x into y is 1 by 2 into 2 by 11, get cancels, remaining is 1 by 11. This is obviously less than 1. So x into y is less than 1, we can apply this formula. Okay, so x is 1 by 2, y is 2 by 11. Okay, put in the formula. So LHS will become LHS equal to tan inverse of x is 1 by 2 plus y is 2 by 11 whole divided by 1 minus x into y, 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. So 2 get cancels, is equal to tan inverse of LCM. So this is LCM is 22, 11 into 2 into 2 is 4 whole divided by, so 1. See, this is 11 minus 1 divided by 11. Okay, so 11 ones are 11 twos are, this is equal to tan inverse of 15 divided by 2, this whole divided by 10 is equal to the tan inverse of 15 divided by 20, right. So 5 3s are 5 4s are, this is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. See, this is our required result, 3 by 4 is equal to the RHS. Okay, very simple formula. Okay, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula we have to use, right. So I used tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So this is when x into y is less than 1. First check, x is 1 by 2, y is 2 by 11, x into y, 2 to get cancel, 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 is obviously less than 1. So we can apply this formula. Okay, so applied the formula, x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, 2 into 11, 22 is the LCM, 11 into 1 is 11, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, right. Next, so 2 to get cancel, 1 by 11 remains, 11 into 1 is 11 minus 1 divided by 11. Okay, 11 ones are 11 twos are, only denominators I am cancelling. Okay, 2s. 11 into 4 is 15 divided by 2. 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, so divided by 2. 10 into 2 is 20. 15 by 20. Okay, it will cancel by 5. 5 3s are 5 4s are 3 by 4. 3 by 4 remains. This is our required result. So this is equal to the RHS. Okay. Example number 5. Express tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. So where x is in between minus 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 in the simplest form. We have to express this in the simplest form. Okay, let us see. Write tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. So I will use the half angle formulas for this cos x. See, we know cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, right? So 2 is there, here x. Okay, now cos x is there, that's why I will take it's a half x by 2. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by 1. In the place of 1 I will write, so we know sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, right? So here I wrote in the numerator x by 2, so here also I will use the angle x by 2, that is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is equal to the 1. It's closed. Sin 2x, so say hi, sin x is there, sin 2x equal to the 2 sin x into cos x, right? So this is double, single. Okay, in the same manner sin x is there, I will write it's half, that is minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, right. Next, tan inverse of, so see this a square minus b square format, I can write it a minus b a plus b, that is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, this is a minus b, next a plus b, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, right, divided by, see, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So that is cos square x by 2 cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 bracket square, see, a square plus b square minus 2a into b, so a minus b whole square. Okay, so cancel one term, cos x minus x by 2 minus sin x by 2, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 square is there, cancel one term on the both sides, cancel. Tan inverse of remaining is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, so for this divide both numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, cos x by 2. So as much as possible, so solve this in the simple format. Okay, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Okay, so whole divided by this again, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x divided by cos x divided by 2. So this is equal to, see, it will divide to both the terms. This also divide to both the terms. Cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan. Cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan, is equal to the, I will write here, is equal to the tan inverse of, so this is numerator, cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan, 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by cos by cos is 1 minus sin by cos is tan x by 2, tan x divided by 2. Then it will become, this is equal to the tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, sorry, plus x by 2. So this we can write as a, I will write here, see, tan inverse of, 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1, keep 1 as it is, minus. So here in the place tan pi by 4 we can write tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan x by 2 into tan x divided by 2, right. So tan pi by 4 plus means tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So the formula tan x plus y, formula tan x plus y, x is pi by 4, y is x by 2. Here tan inverse and tan get cancels, remaining pi by 4 plus x by 2, right. So this is the simplest form of this question, tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. So I solved this using the half angle formulas, very simple one if you know the formulas. Okay, please do concentrate on this problem, it's a very important problem also. Okay, for 3 marks. Okay, example number 6, write cot inverse of 1 divided by root x square minus 1 where x greater than 1 in the simplest form. Okay, let us see the solution. So for this cot is there. Okay, so I will substitute x equal to sec theta, keep remember the substitution. So substitute x equal to sec theta, so this implies theta equal to sec inverse of x, theta is equal to the sec inverse of ex. Okay, so take that given question, take cot inverse of 1 divided by x square minus 1 is equal to the cot inverse of 1 divided by square root of x means sec theta, x square means secant square theta minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to cot inverse of 1 divided by square root of secant square theta minus 1 is, this is tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta, because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus 1, keep tan square is it is equal to the secant square theta, 1 come to this side means it will become minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, cancel square and square root is equal to the cot inverse of 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, 1 by tan theta is cot theta, cot inverse of cot theta. Okay, cot inverse and cot get cancelled, theta remains, so theta is sec inverse of x. So this is the simplest form of this given question. So what is that? Sec inverse of x. Next, prove that. Okay, we have to prove this. So for this I will take RHS. So RHS is equal to the tan inverse of 3x minus EX cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Okay, so this is, for this substitute tan only, x equal to the, substitute x equal to tan theta. Okay, so this implies theta equal to tan inverse of x. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of 3 into x is tan theta minus x cube is tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 x is x square tan square theta. So see, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Okay, tan inverse of tan 3 theta. Tan inverse and tan get cancel. This is equal to 3 theta. Okay, so 3 theta means theta is tan inverse of x. Okay, we need tan inverse of x and tan inverse of this. So for that, 3 tan can be written as tan inverse of x plus 2 tan inverse of x. 1 tan inverse of x and 2 tan inverse of x is 3 tan inverse of x. So keep as it is this one, tan inverse of x. So we learned yesterday in the yesterday class 2 tan inverse. Tan inverse in terms of tan is, that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, so I will write here tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So this is equal to the LHS required result. See, tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. This is the required result, LHS. Very simple. So whole question is in the form of tan. Substitute x equal to tan inverse and simplify, use the trigonometric formulas, you will get the required result. Okay, right. See the example number 8. Find the value of cos of sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x, where mod x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, see the solution. Write the question. Cos of sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to the, so cos, we know that in the relation between inverse trigonometric functions we have learned. So this sec inverse of plus cos inverse is pi by 2 when angles are same, angles are xx, so it is pi divided by 2. Okay, cos 90 is 0, right? So cos pi by 2 is 0, so value of this is 0.